Do you think it's possible to make oobleck in a watermelon? Need to make it more similar to water so I can mix cornstarch with it. Adding a lot of cornstarch. Carefully mixing it, and seems to be ready. We'll check it. Yeah, that's for sure non-Newtonian fluid. Well, since I'm again at the parking lot, this watermelon must fly. Do you think it will succeed? Let's find that out right now. Holy have you seen that? Guys, that was awesome. Let's go and take a look. Well, that was crazy and just a huge boom. Well, as usual from that height. But now I need to clear everything up until the guards noticed me. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care. Anybody to help me? Where's my cameraman? Hey, where did everybody go?